What's up guys, Henry NWR Free here with a new video for you today. Today we have the Essential Engines gift pack ready for review. I've had this for quite some time actually, and it's just been being put off. But now, today, I thought we'd actually finally look at it. It comes with a exclusive Sodor Race Day Thomas and Freight Car, James, Diesel, Gordon, and Percy. These are all the engines we get. Here's a better picture of all of them. And I'll see you when this is opened. Alright guys, we are back and we have all the engines out to look at. Now then, we'll start with Percy. As you can see, Percy is just a normal stock Percy. Nothing special about him, and he comes with the mail van car that you normally see with him in the 2-pack. That you can buy him for like $14. So nothing special. Then we have Gordon. A normal Gordon. But this is my first normal Gordon, as the only other Gordon I have is the snow one. Very happy to finally have him. He does look very nice. And I really do like him. Now, we have the main reason why you would really want to get this, is an exclusive Sodor Race Day Thomas and Freight Car. Now then, his Freight Car has gusts of steam on it, which looks nice, but at the same time, I sort of wish the Freight Car was just a standard gray truck. Alright, now then let's look at the exclusive Thomas we get. It's a Sodor Race Day with clouds going across, or steam clouds anyway. I do like how it has steam on them, but I don't at the same time. It's just, it looks a little cartoonish, I believe, but I still think it's a really cool concept. Now then, we have a normal stock standard diesel. Nothing too special about him. Alright. And then, we have my first normal James. Now then, the other James I have is Scare James, and then I have the Treacherous Traps James. But now I have a normal one as well, which has a smiling face, and his eyes look to be a little off. Either way, they look really nice, but we'll just see Gordon, Thomas, and James go across the tracks, as those are my new ones. Another quick thing I wanted to point out that I noticed when I was installing the batteries with Race Day Thomas is that stickers are off. You see that right there, right above the water tower that I have my finger on? You hear that sound? That's a sticker. And then on this side, it's not as noticeable, but it is risen up about less than a millimeter above, but you still feel it. Now then, why would you mess up this much if you have a sticker covering your whole entire train? Why would you allow it to have that much of a high rise above the model that you can feel it over the plastic, like coming up on top? For me, that's just bad workmanship. But let's just see Thomas run across the track. Alright guys, that is the Essential Engines pack. You get, again, an exclusive Thomas and a regular Percy, James, Diesel, and Gordon. All of which cost about $15 normally, and you get them for $45. Now then, I do believe my Thomas had really, or some lacking workmanship on it. But overall, if you would like to save some money and get an exclusive Thomas, I would recommend it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.